I bet you clicked on this video because you don't want to be a Barnaby anymore. Nope. So let's fix it. There's one way we can fix it. I'm just kidding. Oh my goodness. No. And it doesn't matter if your nails are long or short because you can have dirt. They can have bacteria under them even if they're short. So actually, it doesn't matter if you have long or short nails. No. So what I suggest to take care of the dirt underneath your nail is bottle brushes. I say straw brushes. You can use a toothbrush if you want to, but I suggest using a bottle cleaner that you can keep right by the sink. Or even better, you can go to Dollar Tree and get a tiny straw cleaner that's just a smaller bottle cleaner. And it's small and it's just the size for your nail. You want to kind of use soap or disinfectant or whatever you wash your hands with. I don't know, I just use dish soap. It's just right there. But I would suggest just to be careful not to be like putting too much soap or hard cleaner or something that bothers you underneath your nail, because that is, like I said, kind of tender skin. So you just got to be very gentle and maybe just do it once a day. And if the dirt underneath your nails is like really hard dirt and you just got to keep scrubbing harder and harder, don't scrub hard. Do a DIY nail soak and soak your nails. That in the long run, it will be better than just like really roughly cleaning underneath your nails with a brush just because the dirt's so hard and you can't get it out. Honey is a very good thing to use in a DIY nail soak because it fights bacteria and fungus. Like when I go outside to do chores outside, I always wear my gloves because it just helps not to get so much dirt underneath my nail, and it protects my nails, which is really important. Other videos on my channel on how to do DIY nail soaks, I'll link them down in the description box down below if you want to watch them. I got my little one at Dollar Tree, so I suggest getting it. Here, I put it against my hair so you can actually see it. While we're on the subject of Barnaby, which is from Babes in Toyland, March of the Wooden Soldier, Stan and Ollie. I don't know if you ever heard of that movie. Literally one of my favorite movies to this day. When I was younger, I watched it all the time, and still to this day I watch it. When I was a baby, which was younger, I don't know what age, but pretty young, my mom thought it would be a good idea to watch it because if you've ever seen it, it's very childlike and it's got little Bo Peep in it. It's fun fantasy stories. It's kind of good for kids. You know, it's kind of a kids movie. But literally, I was so scared of Barnaby's dirty finger that is in the movie. He, you know, rips off Ollie's like stash and they show his dirty finger. I was so scared of that, I just screamed and screamed and we had to turn it off. Then I completely forgot about it, and I think when I was older, around 7 or 8, I watched it again and I loved it, and then it progressed on me always watching it because I always loved it. But I'm just saying, that dirty finger scared me so much. And it's kind of funny that I'm in my middle 20s and I'm making a video about cleaning underneath your nails. Isn't that kind of funny? That your personalities don't really change. I mean, when I was a baby, I was scared of dirty fingernails. I guess I dislike it so much I'm making a video on how to clean underneath your nail. Odd. I did cow print nails to match the phone case. I think it looks really good. Before I throw the end screen card up, hold on, I gotta drink the water. It works really good to clean my straw, this little brush straw thing. To watch a video on how to do a DIY nail soak, because we mentioned it in this video, you can click ready. Go ahead, ready. Love you guys. Me out.